Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charlotte. I've got a really pretty project that I did for angeldreamCraftsKim. This is my first design team project for April, and I created a really cute bag, just adorable. I used this fabric here. I think this was an old tablecloth that I had gotten and found in my stash. I've been slowly but surely taking, this is what I have left, is this piece here. And so that's what makes this bag up. The bag has been sewn wrong sides together, so the seam is raw, the seam at the bottom is raw, and the casing up here, and I call it a casing because if you pull this, it will close. So the casing has been hand stitched by me, and then there's layers of gorgeous laces from Kim's shop. The first lace is, I don't know if you can really see it because I did cover it up. This beauty right here, I don't believe I have any of that left. And then I used the little bit that I have to show you is this lace here. That's so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful cotton lace is under here. And then of course, I used a layer of this beautiful lace. And then to top this off, I used this dangle lace. Oh, it's like upside down tulips with these beautiful, beautiful dangles. And that is what makes all this movement, all this motion. And then that wasn't enough. So I got into this. And I cut a couple pieces of this. There's a piece on the front as well as a matching piece on the back. You can see the netting here. It's just beautiful with the pink pearls and the pink rhinestones. And what I really love about the quality of Kim's laces is these are metal rivets, so they're not glued on. They're not going to pop off. And then I took this gorgeous lace trim here and I added, or a leaf, I added the leaf here. And then I took a section of 3, and that is what you see here. There's 1, 2, and 3. And I left it so that you could get your hands up here and you could just feel how pretty all of this is. Just beautiful. There is some machine work on this, but most of the work here, it was done with a needle and a thread. Then I added these 3 satin roses and a collection of these little pink rosebuds. And to top it off, we've got seam binding ribbon and a seam binding ribbon bow, and then the last of my little rhinestone hearts from Kim's shop. So what do you say? The second project, I guess we should do something to go inside this, shouldn't we? I think that might be a beautiful idea. So I need to get to work on that. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed what I created and I hope you love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And be sure that you check out Kim's shop. All the information is in the description box, and also the design team members. If you've got lace, little bits of lace, yardage of lace, you can find so much inspiration within Kim's design team, from lace flowers to lace journals and angels and bracelets and cuffs. And I mean, just hop over there and give a look, say hello, and let's share some love. It is 102 here today. Yep, it is, but it doesn't feel like it at all because it is so dry. But we're getting in the thick of things. I hope everybody is having a wonderful, wonderful week. It is hard to believe that Easter is now behind us. I just can't help but wonder, where's the time going? It's just going fast, fast. And with that being said, enjoy your week, and I will catch you tomorrow. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.